Boom.
It's time to unbox it. Okay, there are children sleeping.
Nailed it. Very little ASMR here.
Your unboxing style is very chaotic. I like it.
So we have to blend it all first.
Good thing all three of our children are sleeping currently.
Be right back. And I guess it goes in the freezer for like 24 hours.
It's ready. Time to do the thing. Did it click? Okay, so you just grab it like this, you put it in there, and then you just turn until it clicks. And then power. And then sorbet. Oh, gosh.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. Is it done?
I think it's done. I think we might need to do a respin, which is normal. It's normal to have to do a respin.
Or we made it wrong.
We that's possible as well. But
So
let's
respin
let's
first.
try respin.
Looks the exact same.
It's more like crumbly now.
So, hit me
Do
spoon.
you want to try it just
Hit
as
me
is?
spoon. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's try it. Yeah.
What was that face?
I think I put too much lime juice. I think I put too much lime juice, and then there's like not enough sweetness. Not enough sweetness.
First attempts are, you know.
Oh, they always are the
they're
worst.
they're
especially
first
for me.
attempts.
Should start with the ice cream one first.
Well, we can do that next because
Yeah.
I have all this stuff.